Welcome to Miss Frank channel. Welcome guys. My name is Franklin, an investor actually. I trade Forex and I also blog on YouTube. Now I bring you a nice offer, alright? First of all, when you make profit, what comes to your mind is investment. How do you invest your money? That's a big question. Now I have an advice for you, though I'm not a financial advisor, but I'll just give you my options, then you can choose, alright? My first money I made from Forex trading, I actually invested it in real estate, alright? I bought a land, that's my first investment. And then I tell you today, this land has appreciated really good. If I sell this land now, I know how much I've made within a couple of years that I bought this land, somewhere in Abuja, alright? If you want to invest just like me, I would advise you to go into real estate as well, alright? My first land was gotten from one besides, alright, here in Abuja. But my second property was gotten from my area homes, and it is my area homes that I want to recommend for you guys. This area is so nice, man. Everything is so standard, and all their property appreciates within a couple of times. Like, it happens like a magic. You just bought a land today, 5 million naira. Within a year, you've gotten a profit of 1.5 or 3 million naira, probably. So imagine you are living it for like 5 years. You are in money already. And as you are buying, you are selling, you are moving into another investment, you are making profit like that. Now, the money you made from real estate can now get you a car later. Some persons will be like, okay, this is my first profit, I want to buy a car. But when you buy a car, that car will just be taking money from you. It won't bring more. You have to maintain the car, service it and all that. But when you use that money and invest in real estate, getting a property, buying a land, within a year or 5 years, that land will bring a money which you will use in buying a new car, and then the capital is still there. You see why my area home is very, very important. My area home has 2 offices, one in Abuja here, all right, Airport Road, Abuja, and then the other one in Lugbe, okay, so I'm sorry, in Enugu State. So they are well trusted. Their website is shown on the screen now. You can always purchase the land through them, or you come through me. Once you chat me up, if you're interested in any property anywhere in Abuja here, I'm going to link you up directly to a property which is going to favor you within a couple of time, even in months. You can sell off, get another one like that, and then make money for yourself. You can also build on our properties if you want to. My area homes offer you such privilege to build, develop your land, and all sort of things. So if you want to check on more about my area homes, then the link is in the description box, or check the screen right now. You can always visit their website and check lands, properties which you can get from my area homes. Right now, if I'm to rank estates in Abuja, I will rank my area as #1. So I will boldly say that we have 2 real estates in Abuja, my area homes and others. All right, my area homes and others. I'm not just saying it because I want to promote them, but I'm saying it because I'm a living witness, a testimony. I got the land from them, and I'm talking to you now. We've made profit from that business. So please patronize them. Please get a property today. You don't know what tomorrow can tell. The way dollar is going, the way things is appreciating, you need to invest. Do more of investment than buying liabilities, alright? I'm going to see you in the next video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Frank. I'm going to come back here to give you more updates about this, especially on the real estate investment. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.